In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the network in trustwallet. Whether you're using this app on your mobile device or accessing it from a laptop, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with every step. First, open your trustwallet application. As it loads up, you'll notice several key features displayed prominently, such as options to send, swap, fund, and sell. TrustWallet also highlights the tokens in your account, providing an intuitive overview of your assets. If you're working from a mobile phone, concentrate your attention on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Discover button. Tapping on this is your gateway to additional functionalities, including access to popular decentralized exchanges and sites like PancakeSwap. Now, once you've tapped Discover, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. Here, you're going to type in pancakeswap.finance. This step links you to one of the most popular decentralized finance platforms available, which aligns well with TrustWallet's capabilities. For those using a laptop, you can bypass the initial steps on the TrustWallet app and navigate straight to PancakeSwap by entering the same URL, pancakeswap.finance, in your browser's address bar. Upon successfully reaching the PancakeSwap website, you'll be greeted with an interface that's both dynamic and user-friendly. Pay special attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where TrustWallet's integration with PancakeSwap becomes evident. Here, you will find the current network you're connected to, which is displayed for convenience. Clicking on the network icon gives you a range of options to tailor your experience according to your needs. Depending on your goals or where you're most comfortable operating, select your preferred network from the list provided. Trust. Wallet's versatility lets you switch between different blockchain networks seamlessly, enhancing both your access and control in the world of decentralized finance. To round off this process, simply choose the network you wish to switch to and confirm your selection. Just like that, you've successfully changed your network setting in TrustWallet, enabling you to take full advantage of its decentralized platform capabilities. This ease of customization, coupled with TrustWallet's security features and user-friendly design, makes it an excellent choice for handling various cryptocurrencies across networks. There you have it, the easy-to-follow guide to changing networks in TrustWallet, whether you're on a mobile device or a laptop. Keep exploring and experimenting within TrustWallet, optimizing your cryptocurrency management like a pro. Thank you for watching and happy trading.